So I wanted to make a quick video on how to do the lab, and right here are the only materials that you're going to need. So every group needs a golf ball, they need a meter stick, and remember that meter sticks are used for measurements, not as a weapon to hit people. You'll need a carpet tile, and then just the floor. I don't have enough carpet tiles for every single group, so you're gonna have to share a little bit. So one group can do the floor, another group can do the carpet tile, and then you can switch off. So what you guys are gonna be doing is counting the number of bounces that the golf ball bounces when it strikes different surfaces. So like if you were doing the carpet, you're gonna hold the meter stick up, and you're gonna put your golf ball at, this is difficult one-handed. You're gonna put the golf ball at exactly 1 meter, so that's why you have the meter stick to measure the golf ball being 1 meter above the floor. And you're going to drop the golf ball and count the number of bounces that it bounces before it comes to a stop. So if I drop this golf ball, I'm gonna count the bounces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the last one, it was just a little tiny bounce, but it counts. So I would write down 3. Okay, and I would do that 2 more times, so I have 3 trials, and then I'm gonna find the average number of bounces, but I'm gonna round to the nearest whole number. So you can't have like 2.25 bounces, it's either 2 or it's 3, so you're just rounding to the nearest whole number. Now, when you do it with the floor, just be careful because all of the bounces have to remain on the floor. So what I mean by that is if you bounce the golf ball and it hits a tabletop, or I'm sorry, if it hits a table leg or somebody's foot or something like that, you have to do it all over again. Now the floor is gonna have a lot more bounces, and counting them at the end can get a little bit tricky, but just do the best you can. So if here's my bounces, I'm gonna pick a spot in the middle here so it doesn't bump into anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm gonna go with the 28. Okay, so I'm gonna say that bounced 28 times. And again, they're gonna be really small bounces towards the end, so just do the best that you can. Okay, so all you're doing is counting the number of bounces, finding the average, then make sure all of the materials get put back. Don't dilly-dally because you have a lot of stuff to do today.